Hi creepy cuties, let's hang out and bleach my brows. All the products that I'll be showing are cruelty free and vegan. So you'll see here I'm starting off by grabbing my developers. I have both a 20 and a 10. You can use either, and there's a chance that I could use this beautiful toner, which I would only use 10 for. Next up is petroleum jelly because I want to protect the skin around my brows. You can give chemical burns. I have done it. It is not fun. As a friend and an esthetician, I am telling you, protect your skin. So I was a silly goofy guy and my camera was not in the right place, but you can see here that I am applying the petroleum jelly to the back of my glove, and then I'm going to paint it around my brows, so in the middle, underneath, and above my brows. Since I have done this process before, you're going to see me mixing my powder bleach with the developer just in this little dish, but you can absolutely use kitchen scale or any kind of scale to weigh out the 1:1 or 1:2 ratio if you want to really make sure that it's the correct proportions. And this is the consistency that I'm looking for. Could not tell you what happened to the footage where I applied this first layer, but I took a spoolie with a thin layer of bleach and just made sure to get on each individual hair. And now I'm going in with the second layer, just making a little cloud puff of it on top to make sure that each individual hair was getting covered, but then that there's no, gosh, how do I say this? Basically, after you do that, you just want to do another top layer and it's going to look completely covered and floofy. Hope that helps. Great teaching. Once I have that top coat, then I am taking the pointed side of a Q-tip and just cleaning up. Again, if you did not have the petroleum jelly under there and you did not clean this up, all of that bleach would be burning that skin underneath the brow. So the protective step and the cleanup is really important. And this is where we wait, do a little dance, and drink our iced coffee. You can wait 5 to 10 minutes. I like to check mine around 5. It wasn't quite there yet, so I did end up leaving it on a little bit longer. But this really is going to be dependent on what your brow hair is like. So I say better safe than sorry. You just lift a little bit up, check it, see how it's going, and if you need to wait a little longer, you can. And that's the look. I was so surprised. This was my second time doing them. They turned out great. I didn't even tone this time, but I do highly recommend that Snow Cap toner if you need it.